Let's take you to the Enyobeni tavern tragedy trial, which has been adjourned to tomorrow as well due to load shedding. A state witness who is a minor testified in the East London Regional Court. Two officials from the Eastern Cape Liquor Board and two youngsters will give evidence tomorrow. Siyakhangela and Vuyokazi Ndevu have both pleaded not guilty to contravening the Liquor Act by selling alcohol to underage children on the night of the 26th of June 2022. 12 teenage girls and 9 boys died while partying at the Scenery Park Tavern. Siphosethu Booi filed this report.
Well, a sad day in court today as this particular trial needed to adjourn because of load shedding. And of course, we were expecting to hear from the two officials from the Eastern Cape Liquor Board. But that particular move took a turn when we saw a minor taking up the stand today. And to understand more of the significance of this particular minor that took to the stand today before the Eastern Cape Liquor Board officials, I'm joined now by the regional spokesperson of NPA. Dr. Jali, thank you very much for making time to speak to us here on Newzroom Afrika. Please talk to us about the significance of the first witness that took to the stand today.
The witness that took to the stand today, when the incident took place, he was 16 years old, which means he was not of lawful age to be sold liquor to. And he testified that he was in the venue on the day. So it is very significant that the person who was there when the incident took place did give evidence today.
Will we be seeing more or hearing more from the witnesses that were at the Enyobeni tavern?
Today, before the court adjourned, 4 more witnesses were warned by the court, 2 being youngsters and 2 being the officials from the liquor board. So we are expecting their evidence tomorrow if we have enough time.
And also lastly, will there be more witnesses that could be taking the stand besides the 4 that will be speaking tomorrow morning?
We cannot rule that out because we do have more witnesses, but it will depend on the strategy that the prosecutor takes. If we feel that the evidence that has been presented by the witnesses that we've called is sufficient to convince the court, then we'll stick to the 4. But then if we still need to establish or give more evidence to the court, then we'll call more witnesses.
NPA spokesperson Jali, thank you for making time to speak to us here on Newzroom Afrika. And the court will resume tomorrow morning at 8:30 here in East London. For Newzroom Afrika on channel 405, I'm Siphosethu Booi in East London.